Welcome to DocSend's Perfect Pitch video series, where we put our research and data to work to help you fundraise. I'm Justin Itzo and I run research here at DocSend. Today's video is the first in a series on our pre-seed report from 2021 and 2022. This video is on investor pitch deck scrutiny, or the amount of time investors are spending evaluating your pre-seed pitch deck. Let's dive in. Our report shows that VCs are spending less time than ever evaluating pre-seed decks in 2022. Across the board, we've seen a 24% drop year over year. Among decks that successfully raised a pre-seed round, we've seen a 20% drop. But among decks that were unsuccessful in raising their round, we saw an impressive 42% drop. That means that if your deck isn't resonating with investors, they're bouncing out after just over 2 minutes spent on your deck. Overall, this means that investors are well into the 2-minute range on decks these days, and it means that you have less time than ever to get your message across and present facts and figures that are important for your business in 18 or 19 pages. So how can you maximize the time that investors are spending evaluating their deck? Let's look at a few tips. First, ensure your deck is easy to navigate. Use section headers and page numbers so that investors can orient themselves easily when they're going through your deck for the first time, but also so that they have easy reference points when they're following up with you in an email or in a meeting. Second, show, don't tell. Make sure the text and numbers that you're using in your deck actually matter. Don't crowd slides with facts and figures that are only tangential to the story that you want to tell. And also, don't use more than 50 or so words on a slide unless absolutely necessary. Investors, importantly, don't want to wade through too much information to be able to do the kind of analysis they want to do of your business. Finally, tie together the purpose, problem, and solution sections at the beginning of your deck. This also helps orient investors who are new to your business or new to your space. And it shows that you've thought coherently, not just about the story that you want to tell, but about the kinds of problems that your solution is really embedded in. And again, this makes life easy for investors and lets them know that you've thought meaningfully and deeply about your business and its broader implications.